incident has been reported in Punjab of Kashmiri students celebrating Pakistan's win over India in the T20 World Cup. Outrage has peaked on social media over this incident, with former cricketer Sehwag and BJP MP Gambhir hitting out. Sehwag took to Twitter and questioned why there was outrage over crackers during Diwali, but silence when crackers are burst to celebrate Pakistan's victory. Sehwag slammed this hypocrisy, saying it was called celebration of cricket by some who outraged over Diwali. Gambhir, meanwhile, said those who celebrated India's defeat are not Indians. Videos have been doing the rounds on social media, claiming students raised pro-Pak slogans and burst crackers after India lost to Pakistan in the T20 World Cup. The Punjab police, however, while confirming the incident did happen, have said that the viral video is fake and not from Sangrur as claimed.
Because that's the...
We have Gautam Gambhir with us. His former Indian skipper as well as politician. He have tweeted about some of the incidents in which firecrackers have been bursted after the victory of Pakistan in India. How did you react?
It's shameful. When you live in a country, when you're called an Indian, and suddenly when the other country wins or Pakistan wins, you start bursting crackers, which is absolutely shameful. This is something which is absolutely not acceptable, and I think people who have bursted those crackers cannot be called themselves as Indians.
As a player and as a cricket lover, how do you react at the India's defeat by the hands of Pakistan? Because it was the first time when India has been defeated by Pakistan in any of the World Cup matches.
So I think in a sport, when two teams play, one team will have to win, one team will lose. India has played some fabulous cricket for such a long time, and if you see the record as well, still it's 12-1. So one bad loss does not make you a bad team. Ultimately, when your team requires that support, your team requires that support. When your team does not do well, when you're doing well, everyone supports their team. But this is a time when the entire nation needs to back their team, and I'm sure this team will turn it around.
Some of the players are being targeted personally. Skipper Virat Kohli has been targeted, Mohammad Shami has been targeted. When, as a player, you are playing for your country, can you justify this kind of campaign over social media?
Look, it's absolutely disgusting that when you target an individual or when you target certain individuals, whether it's the captain or someone who's from the other community, ultimately, in a nation like India, it's a team, it's a nation. And someone like Mohammad Shami or Virat Kohli has done fabulous things for this country. They've won so many games for us. They've made this country proud. And targeting certain individuals is absolutely not acceptable. In a team sport, you win together, you lose together. In a nation like India, you win together, you lose together. And that is what I want to say to every Indian. That support your players, they will definitely turn it around.
As a former captain, how do you look at the journey forward for the Indian cricket team since they lost their first match? Do you expect a bigger comeback, and their fighting spirit can be seen in the next coming matches?
Oh, absolutely. It's just one game that they've lost. The entire tournament is still ahead, and I'm sure this team has the mettle, this team has the character and the toughness to turn it around, and I'm sure everyone will be motivated to turn it around.
So Gambhir has to say it clearly that whatever are the acts of bursting firecrackers, that is shameful, and even targeting players at the individual level can't be justified by anyone. With camera person Sanjay, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today.